Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a quick trick to get more oak timber and flawless fluorite in Heartopia. This is useful if you are running out of the two items. These two items are really important for crafting a furniture in your house, but normally you can only collect 3 of it per day. So how do we get more? It's actually pretty simple. You can buy extra using the crystal. First just tap on this card icon and then just tap on the rare collectible, this one, like this. And then in here you can purchase the oak timber, roaming oak timber, and then flawless fluorite on here. Each one costs 20 moonlight crystal. You need at least 20 moonlight crystals to get this one oak timber and one flawless fluorite, like this. And then next just adjust the amount that you want to purchase, and then next just simply tap on purchase, like this. So make sure you have enough the moonlight crystal before buying this roaming oak timber or flawless fluorite. And okay, that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.